Good morning, student. Now in this lecture we are going to see data representation in detail. That means we are going to see all the conversion and representation of number system in detail. In our previous lecture we have seen how to convert one number system into from the one number system to another number system, from like binary to decimal, decimal to binary, hexadecimal, octal conversion. But in this topic, in this lecture we are going to see some tic tacs and all the nut bolts of data representation. Now see, if we are going to talk about the decimal number system, if we are going to talk about decimal number system, in decimal number system, if we are writing any number, suppose that we are writing 251.1723, then if we write this number and if we are going to talk about the positional value for this number, then we can write this number in this form. We have to put the fix up decimal point. This is our decimal point. After this point we can count 0, 1, 2. Here after decimal point we are going to start the counting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if we are going to write this positional value for this number, then this will become 10 to power 0, because the base of decimal number is 10. Already we have studied about that. This is the represent 10 to the power 0, this is 10 to the power 1, this is 10 to the power 2. And in the right side of decimal point, after decimal point, we have to represent this 1, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, and 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the positional value of decimal number. And the leftmost bit, the leftmost bit, this is the 2. 2 is called your MSD. And the rightmost bit, this is your rightmost bit, 3. This is called your LSD. This is called your LSD. MSD, that means most significant digit, and LSD, that is least significant digit. So this is the positional value of decimal number system. Similarly, if we are going to take positional value of binary number system, then only the base will be changed. In binary number system, this will become 10. 10 is replaced by 2. If we are going to see in binary number system, if we are going to write the number 1010.0101, now if we are going to write the positional value for this, we are going to set, this is our decimal point, and we are going to write the value for this. This is start the counting as we have studied in our previous class. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the positional value for this number: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. And here we can write 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 4. And if we are going to write the most significant digit is 1, MSD, and this one is your least significant digit. This is your LSD. This is least significant digit. Similarly, if we are going to take the example for octal number system, then the base is only the changing element is only the base. All the process will be same. In octal number system, we have replaced 2 with 8. In hexadecimal number system, we have replaced 2 by 16. So if we are going to talk about octal number system, if we put any number, take the example of any number 143 341, then only changing element is our base 0 1 2. This is your decimal point 1 2 3. Now the positional value is 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, here 8 to the power minus 1, 8 to the power minus 2, 8 to the power minus 3, and this one is your MSD, and this one is your LSD, least significant digit. Similarly, in hexadecimal number system, we have replaced 8 with the 16. Now we will see conversion from decimal number system to binary number system for fractional conversion. For the fractional number, conversion of fractional number, if we are going to take the example of number now, convert 25.12 into binary number system, into binary number system, into binary number system. Now already we have studied about how to convert this number 25 into binary number system. We are continuously going to divide it with 2 and we will get the final result. If we are going to convert this number into binary number system, we have to convert, first of all we have to convert 25. Now convert 25 into binary number system, divide it with 2 and take the remainder. This is going to be divided with 12 times and remainder will 1. This is going to 6 times, remainder will be 0. This is going to 3 times and remainder again 0. Again 2 1 ja 2 and the remainder will be 1. And again if we are going to divide it 2, then this will be 1. Here 0, remainder will be 1. Now write this number. We are going to write this number from bottom to top. From bottom to top. That means if we are going to write the binary equivalent, then we can write 1 1 0 0 1. Now this is the binary equivalent to 25. This will represent 25. Now we have converted this 25 into binary number system. Now we are going to convert the fractional part, and our fractional part is 0.12. That means 1 2. This will be the main part for this conversion, because we have already learned and studied about the conversion of this type of conversion without fractional number. But in fractional number, now this 0.12 will be converted into binary. For this conversion, we have take the opposite to your integer part. That means here we have divided by 2. In the fractional part we have multiplied by 2 and take the carry. Here we have to take remainder, and in fractional part we have to take carry. Now see this in another example. Now we are going to convert. This is our number 25.12. We have already converted this 25. Now we are going to converting 1.12. Now see here. Now take the fractional part. Here our fractional part is 1. Now here our fractional part is 1 2 and 0.12. We are not going to consider point. Here 1 2 is going to be multiplied with 2 because this is your 0.12. Now multiplied with 2 and take the value multiplied by 2. This will be your 0.24 and write the carry here, and carry will be 0 because here 0 is your only integer part. Again you have to multiply 0.24 with 2. Again this will become 0.48. Again your carry will be 0. 0.48 again multiplied by 2, it gives 0.96. Again your carry is 0. Again we have to multiply 0.96 multiplied by 2, and this will give 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 9 are 18 and 1 19, then 1.92. You can see that. Now take this carry, and here the carry will be 1. Again we have to multiply it with 0.92, 0.92 multiplied by 2. We can stop this multiplication as the given decimal point in the question. If in the question given, convert it or take it from the 3 place decimal place, 4 decimal place, 2 decimal place. Otherwise we can multiply until and unless the fractional part will be 0. if यह 1.92 यहाँ पे 1.92 की जगह पे 1.0 आ जाता तो हम मल्टीप्लाइंग स्टॉप कर देते, या हमारे रिपीट होने लगे, सेम नंबर रिपीट होने लगे, तब हम इसको स्टॉप कर देंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अदरवाइज हम जितना हमारा डिजायर्ड डेसिमल प्लेस होगा उतने पे हम स्टॉप कर देंगे. तो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप द multiplication, and we have to take care of these things, most important things which can we have to see carefully. In the fractional part, when we have converted fractional part into binary, we have to write this number in the up to bottom, in the format of top to bottom. हम यहाँ पे टॉप टू बॉटम लिखेंगे इसको, जस्ट अपोजिट टू द इंटीजर पार्ट. अगर हम 25 को डिवाइड कर रहे थे तो बॉटम टू अप राइट करते थे, बट इन द फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर फ्रॉम, you have to write this number from the top to bottom. That means the fractional value of 0.12, the 0.12 will be 0 0 0 1. This will represent the value of 0.12. Now combining these two conversion, we have to write the equivalent binary number. Now if we are going to take this example, we can write the value the 25.12 will be equivalent to binary in 11001 point. Put the point same here. Point को as it is यहाँ रखेंगे, then the equivalent of decimal part, fractional part, 0001. So here 0001. This is this is equal to 25.12 into binary number system. Same conversion will be done in binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and hexadecimal and octal. Only the change will be done with the base. हमारा बेस चेंज होगा, बाकी सारे प्रोसेस सेम रहेंगे. नाउ our next conversion is, this is our decimal to binary. Now we are going to convert binary number system into decimal number system with the fractional value. Now convert binary to decimal. Take the example of one example of the number 11 10.0101. Now we are going to convert this into decimal number system. Then again we have start the counting 0, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 as we have seen in positional value. Now convert this number 1 into 2 to the power 3, 1 into 2 to the power 3, this number will be processed, plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Here we have done all the integer part, that means before the decimal place. Again we have to process this number. This number will be processed 0 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 3 plus 0 multiplied by plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 4. This is the conversion from binary to decimal. We have to put the value. This will take the after decimal. This will going to the in the with the minus sign, because this is 1 upon the value of in the fractional value, and this will be represented by the in the power of minus, because if we are going to take if any number a to the power m, this will equal to a to the power minus m. You have studied it in your mathematics. So by applying this rule, we have take this minus sign in that case. Now now calculate the value for this. 1 into 2 to the power 3, this will be 8, plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 will 0, and again 2 to the power 1 is 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0.25. This is the value of 2 to the power minus 2, because 0 into 2 to the power minus 1 is 0 and 1 into 2 to the power minus 2 1 into 2 to the power minus 2. That means 2 to the power minus 2. We can write this 1 upon 2 to the power 2 applying this rule, and this will give 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 4 is equivalent to 0.25. I hope you have understand this calculation. Now let me erase this rough work. Now again plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 3, 0, plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 4, 1 into 2 to the power minus 4. This will equivalent to 1 upon 2 to the power 4, and this is equivalent to 0.0625, because this is 1 upon 16. Now if we are going to add this number, this will gives you 10.3125. This is the equivalent number of your binary to decimal. So this is the method to convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal. We can convert any fractional number from octal or hexadecimal applying this rule. Only the change is going to be happen with the base of the number system. If you are going to convert decimal to octal, if you are going to convert decimal to octal, then your base will be changed. That means you have to divide the number from the 8 and multiply the fractional number with the 8, and nothing is going to be changed. Now if we are going to take the example of number, then we can say that now convert octal to decimal number system. Octal to decimal number system. Now take the example of number 24.6. Now we are going to convert it into decimal number system. To convert it into decimal number system, first of all we have to write the positional value 0, 1, and this is your 1, this is your minus 1. This is not 1, this is your minus 1. We have put this in the power of minus. Now if we are going to write this number, we can put 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 1 plus 4 multiplied by 8 to the power 0 plus 6 multiplied by 8 to the power minus 1. This is the now calculate it. 16 plus 4 plus 6 multiplied by 8 to the power minus 1. This is 6 upon 8. This will give you 6 upon 8, and the fractional value is 0.75, and the total equivalent number is 20.75. Similarly, if we are going to convert decimal to octal, then we have to divide the number 8 and multiply the fractional part with the 8. If we are going to take this example 20.75, then we can take the convert this number system into again octal to decimal, decimal to octal. Now we are going to convert decimal to octal. Take the same example 20.75. Now convert this 21st and this 0.75 then. Now convert this 20 divided with the 8. This will gives 2 times and take the remainder here. Remainder will be 4. Again divide 8. This will go 0 time and remainder will be 2. And if we put this from bottom to top, this will give 24. Now we are going to convert 0.75 to convert multiply with the 8 because base of octal is 8. 0.75 multiplied by 8 will gives multiplied 8 5 जा 40 और 8 7 जा 56 and plus 4 will give you 60. That means 6.0. And we have to write the carry part here. Carry part is your 6 and your fractional part is 0.0. And when we get 0, we have to stop our multiplication and we have to write from up to bottom, and this is only here 6. Then we can write the whole number is 24.6. This is your actual number. And I hope you have understand the fractional conversion. Similarly, in the case of decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal or hexadecimal to binary. So this is the way to convert the fractional number in the from one number system to another number system. If we are going to convert binary to hexadecimal or octal equivalents, our question is convert 1948.B6 into binary and octal. So let's convert this number. Our number is 1948. Put point B6. First write the binary equivalent to each number. This is hexadecimal number. Then we have convert all the number into 4 digits, equivalent 4 digit. Now this one will gives 1 in binary number system and we have to convert into 4 digit. Put 3 0 in the left side and 9 will be 1 0 0 1. 1 will be 0 1 0 0. Your 8 will be 1 triple 0. B is your 11 and 11 will be 1 0 1 1 and your 6 will be 0 1 1 0. Now if we are going to convert it into binary, then the binary equivalent is write the combination of these number. Just write all the number as it is with the point symbol. That means we are going to write it as 0001 1001 0100 1000 point 1011 then 0110. This is your binary equivalent of this hexadecimal number. And if we are going to convert it into octal, then we can make the group of 3 digit. Now if we are going to write this number into octal number system, then this is your binary hexadecimal to binary. That means 1948.B6 converted into binary. Then the result will be this. This is your binary conversion. Now if we are going to convert this hexadecimal number into octal number system, then we have to put this, creating the group of 3 binary digit and convert them into equivalent octal number. This will give the result. Now see how it will be done. Now let's convert this number system into group of 3 digit. Then this is the binary equivalent in the group of 3. Now put the octal equivalent to this group of 3 binary digit. Now write the octal equivalent to this number is this 001 will give 1. This gives you 100 is 4. Then 101 101, this will represent 5. This will represent 1. This will represent 0. And here we have to put point, and this will represent 5. This will represent 5. This will represent 4. Then this is the your octal representation. Octal conversion of this hexadecimal will be 14510.554. So now using this method you can convert any from any number system to any decimal number system conversion. Now I hope you have understand all the concept of conversion of number system. So thank you for watching.